realistic. Can any one of us honestly say that we meet these nutritional guidelines every single day, especially as hardworking college students? I recently discovered that I'm really interested in this topic of nutrition, and as a result, I have been taking time to research topics of health in general. My studies have shown me that college students can reduce stress and stay nutritious through healthy eating habits, a reasonable amount of rest, and moderate exercise in their day-to-day life. First off, understanding the impact that stress has on a college student is key to understanding the importance of a nutritious lifestyle. There is positive and negative stress. Positive stress is a type of stress that helps motivate a student to finish that paper, to turn in their work on time, and to get good grades. Negative stress is more serious, and it is the type of stress that can lead to anxiety or depression or other serious health risks. There are many helpful tips on overcoming stress that include the three things that I just mentioned, which are eating habits, rest, and exercise. But before that, I need to share with you that this topic has become quite an issue in recent years. In an article entitled Stress and the College Student by National Health Ministries, research shows that college students are feeling more overwhelmed than they were feeling 15 years ago, and more than 30% of all college freshmen report being overwhelmed. So let's talk about the importance of knowing what to eat, because many things affect, as well as are affected by, our diets. In The Ultimate Consumer's Guide to Diets and Nutrition, James E. Marty emphasizes the influence that diet has on our lives when he writes, "The majority of fuel the human body uses comes directly from the nutrients contained in food." Students are suggested to focus on certain foods. For example, fruits and vegetables are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. And grains such as pasta, oats, and rice are a source of energy for the muscles and for your brain. Snacks like yogurt, hummus, and even peanut butter provide protein, which helps maintain muscles. Did you know that students are even suggested on how to eat? It is so easy for students to wake up late in the morning, skip breakfast, eat a small meal during lunch, and wait till the evening to eat a large dinner. That is opposite of what is recommended, since students should be having a meal every 3 to 5 hours, a small meal. And it can be really hard to meet that recommendation. So there are lots of simple tips for students to follow that would make eating healthy more practical. The Bucknell University website gives one. They suggest that students grab a piece of fruit from the cafe at dinner time and then keep it in their dorm room overnight, and in the morning they grab that piece of fruit on their way to class, just so that they always have something there and they never leave their dorm room or their housing apartment without having something in their stomach before class. A proper amount of exercise in a student's life is also very important and very beneficial. College students are suggested by Indiana University Health Center to include at least 20 minutes of aerobic exercise in their day. This can also be very difficult to fit into your schedule, so a lot of sites advise students to join intramural sports or to fit a fitness class into their class schedule, just so that they can meet these recommendations. What I found to be most interesting in my research is how important it is for students to take time to unwind. As I said earlier, students should be getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, but we all know that that could be very difficult in college. But sleep and rest is not the only way to unwind. There are many other suggestions, such as prayer, yoga, and even communicating with others is seen as a way to unwind and to rest. If students want to have a negative college experience, it would be best if they would just eat, drink, and smoke whatever they want. Never exercise and forget about sleep because you always have caffeine, right? But students who are looking to defeat stress and stay one step ahead in this very competitive society can start by practicing healthy eating habits, resting often, and exercising daily.